Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop Steam auto-updating on startup. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update in January 2023, Steam does not have a built-in option within its settings to disable automatic updates on startup. However, you can't control the update behavior through Steam settings, and keep in mind that Steam's interface and features may have been updated since then. And here's how you can't do it. Step 1. Launch the Steam client on your PC. Step 2. Click on Steam in the top left corner of the Steam client. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on the Downloads tab on the left sidebar. Step 4. Look for the Allow Downloads During Gameplay section. Ensure that the Allow Downloads During Gameplay option is untoggled. Step 5. You can also set download restrictions by limiting the bandwidth. This won't prevent updates, but can't control the impact on your internet connection. Step 6. Close the Steam client. And it's important to note that while these settings can help manage the impact of updates on your game experience, Steam generally prioritizes keeping games up to date for security, stability, and compatibility reasons. Manually controlling updates might lead to missing out on important patches or improvements. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.